Hello, everyone. Mike Gaitis here, commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial, helping you buy, sell, and lease commercial real estate here in Central Florida. Today, I'm sitting down with Justin Allender from First National Bank of Mount Dora. Justin, thank you for doing this.
Thanks for having me, Mike.
The SBA loan has been talked about, the length of time it takes to get an SBA loan. Can you talk a little bit about that length of time and what can a business owner do to help move that process, make it smoother?
So it's like with any home loan or business loan you've had before. If you can just be organized, if you have a great relationship with your bookkeeper, your CPA, and your banker, that's kind of the holy trinity of making your loan process as easy as possible. The SBA does add a little bit of red tape and bureaucracy to the process, but it's not terrible. I would say a typical commercial real estate loan, a conventional loan, we can usually close in less than 30 days. And an SBA loan maybe only adds 15 or 30 days on top of that. But if you're only putting 10% down versus 20% down and fixing a portion of your interest rate for 25 years, those benefits can really outweigh those initial, speed bumps.
Sure. There are a couple different types of SBA loans. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Sure. So the SBA, the Small Business Administration, has specifically the 7A loan program,
Correct,
which can be used for companies that are in high growth mode. Maybe they're looking for operating capital or other methods to kind of really juice up their business. And then as far as real estate goes, we utilize the SBA 504 loan program.
Okay.
We had a lot of success with that, specifically in Groveland. We worked on a project that I think you went to.
Sure, yes.
And it was great because our client already owned the land, and she had owned it for a few years and it had appreciated a little bit in value. And through the SBA program, we were actually able to use that as her initial equity for a construction loan of $1.7 million. So she wasn't required to put any more capital into the project, and she only had to have 10% into the project. And it was great also because the SBA will take a portion of the loan. So First National Bank of Mount Dora and the SBA will basically have two loans on the project.
Okay.
And the awesome thing about the SBA portion is they do it over a 25-year term, and they fix the interest rate. So you have a locked fixed interest rate that gives you kind of that peace of mind that no matter what happens in the economy, you don't have to worry about that changing.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's nice. If you wanted to learn more about you and the bank here, what's the best way for someone to get in touch with you?
So my cell phone number, which
Okay.
I think we can provide, is
Sure.
850-910-1101. And you can call, text me anytime. That's the only way we can stand apart from the big guys.
Sure.
We give local service.
Absolutely.
But if you want to come join us at the South Lake Chamber of Commerce, we're very welcoming. Most of our events, you can attend before you even become a member. If you want a buddy, or if you just want to talk shop and kind of get ideas. We don't work on commission at our bank. We're going to tell you what you need to hear, not necessarily what you want to hear, because we want a relationship, not just a transaction.
Oh, that's great. Justin, I really want to thank you for doing this today. This has been really informative.
Well, thank you.
Thank you. And I really want to thank the folks over at Splash Social Marketing for putting this video series together. They can help you with your social media, your marketing, and your website. They can be reached at splashsocialmarketing.com. And again, I am Mike Gaitis with Go Florida Commercial. If I can help you with buying, selling, or leasing commercial real estate here in Central Florida, I can be reached on my cell phone at 407-443-3206. Thank you.